our setup and plan, and this is GU. Very simple price action. First and foremost is market structure. You can see this market structure is very simple. You can see it. Very simple market structure. So you can see this was our last break of structure to the downside. And then this is our change of character to the upside, and then this is our break of structure to the upside, external structure. So we have to go down to our 15 minutes for our internal market structure, and this is our break of structure to the upside. And then external structure is bullish and internal structure is bearish, right? So what's our plan? Our plan is very simple. We had our change of character to the downside, internal structure, but before all that we had our order block. It was here. This was our bullish order block. It was that one. Then after that bullish order block being disrespected, then automatically it turns into our bearish breaker block. You can see it. Then what's our plan? Our plan is very simple. You got already the break. Then we need to wait for the price to come back and retest. We already had the break, which is this one. Then you have to wait for this retest. Then after this retest, then we're going to wait for the confirmation, for the sell confirmation. Then after getting that confirmation, then we're going to sell. That's scenario number 1 for GU. And scenario number 2, if the price still disrespects this breaker block and goes up to this side, up to here, then we're gonna wait for the price to come here, tap into this sell order block, which is here. Then you look for sales. That's scenario number 2. Then still scenario number 3 is also going to be very simple. If the price still disrespects this sell order block, then you're going to wait for the break, then a retest, then you look for buy confirmation here, then you continue buying. Those are the 3 scenarios. I can give you the 4th one, but I don't want to complicate. I don't want to confuse you guys. So that's it for GU. Super simple. Then for EU, you can clearly see that this was our last break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the downside. Then we had our break of structure to the downside continuation. Now you can still understand this. The Euro USD is still bearish on external and internal market structure, right? So my first, sorry, I forgot to show you this intraday. The intraday strategy for this scenario, we have to see, we still have liquidity. The Asian high liquidity is still there, and you can still take out this, and then later on we take out this Asian high, right? It's also a very simple strategy. So I will explain that to the next video. Then Euro USD, as I've already showed you. Then Still this is our swing high. And this is our swing low. You can see this. Then you're going to see our Asian high, Asian low. But today, Asian low was first taken out. Then I'm going to wait for the price to come out, take out this Asian high, and sweep this liquidity up here. Then I'll wait for, I'll go to 1 minute for my market structure shift for the continuation. That's very simple for scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2. Scenario number 2 is also very simple. We have our supply zone which is still here, but I don't think it will happen today for the price to go up here. But if it goes there, then I'll make another video. Then for GJ, very simple price action. We had the break, we had the break, we had the break, we had the break. Then you had the change of character to the downside. Then you had a change of character to the upside. And then you had a break of structure to the upside. Then you had a break of structure to the upside, but this time around it's internal market structure. And then the price shifted down. Then before that, we had our order block, which was this one. Had our order block. After this order block being disrespected, then it turned into our breaker block. So we had that break. You can see we had this first break here, then a continuation here, but we didn't had this break to the downside. Then we had another one, then we had this break, which is very clean, and it's our sell confirmation. Then we're looking forward to sell this, right? Then we're going to go to 5 minutes as usual. 5 minutes. Yep. Then you're going to go to 15 minutes. Then you're going to have our entry around here. We have our entry here. Had one, 2. It's very clean. If the price don't go beyond that with a candle close, then you're going to be selling it from here, and our stop loss will be here, 25 pips, and then our take profit will be 125. It will be here, 124. If the price don't close below this, then I'll be sending a signal straight to our VIP Telegram channel. Then we make it happen. Then for GU, Super simple. Had our break. Remember very well, this was our change of character after disrespecting this break structure, which led to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the upside. Then we had our over the block, which is here. Price came in, tapped in very cleanly. Then we had our confirmation. Then our entry is just below here, and this is my entry here. Because you can see the 1 minute shifted very well. You can see we had the change of character here to the downside, then a shift to the upside. Right. Is this a shift? No, it's not. Then we had our shift, and our entry is just here. Then our stop loss will be just below this order block, and we're targeting 1 to 3. So I'll be sending also this signal if I get the final confirmation. That's it, guys.